Hey yo, what's up YouTubers? It's your boy number one fashionista here, coming at you with a new unboxing video. I think you'll like this one. So I've basically been wanting this item for, it's a pair of jeans I've been wanting for about 8 months now since I first saw them. I basically already undid the tape on the box, and I just want to go ahead and get into the unboxing because I didn't want to be fussing with scissors and things and or knife trying to undo the box. So I've already undone the box, and I'm really excited about this pair of jeans. A little bit about me, obviously, if you watch my other videos, I have pretty flamboyant style, and, I'm pretty confident in who I am. So it's kind of a take it or leave it thing. I know this isn't for everybody, but it's something that I appreciate, and obviously a designer that I'm a huge fan of, that I've always loved, and that is Balmain. So this is a pair of men's Balmain jeans from the Fall Winter 2016-2017 collection. I'm sorry, no, 2017-2018 collection, Fall Winter. So I'm just gonna get into this pair of jeans. So so let me go ahead and open it up here. so this is my little return label in here for Style Bop. This is where I got the jeans from, was stylebop.com, and they're actually based in Germany. It arrived yesterday, and so I'm opening it up here. So yeah, pretty nice. Style Bop. I highly recommend shopping on their website. They're a great company, and this is actually my first purchase I've ever made from them, and I'm very pleased with the presentation already. I undid the paper a little bit, as you can tell, but it came in pristine condition. The paper was perfect and taped on there, and so I just undid it. These are the jeans. So let me take them out. Let's see. Here they are. Very nice. I'm very impressed with them. Very impressed with them. You never see men's Houndstooth anything. These are Prince of Wales, but you never see men's Houndstooth anything. So this is the tag. So yeah, 98% cotton, 2% stretch, and this is the Balmain tag here. But this is just the English tag here. It comes with pretty much all their merchandise. It's this standard tag, and then we have the lovely size tag here. So that's pretty nice. Better look at that. So size 31. I wish I had gone with a size 30, but they were sold out. So I had to go with the 31. I actually got the very last pair of jeans on their website for the Balmain Houndstooth. So, yeah. So, they're a little, little big, but they still look really great. It's just one size, so I'm very impressed. And for what I paid, I paid literally, I'd say 1/5 of the original cost of the jeans. So I put popped the jeans on Shop Tagger 8 months ago. I was like, whichever website I saw them on, I popped it on that website, and popped it on Shop Tagger. And Shop Tagger would alert me when they had the jeans for sale, and I just kept watching, and eventually they went down to a price that I felt was, a good price for, a closing out season item. Obviously we're in the spring 2018 now, so there's a bunch of stuff from Balmain I want, but I can't get it right away. So, yeah, let's see here. So you have the jeans here. These are actually denim. So these are denim jeans. Even they kind of you would think that they were those trouser type pants, but these are actually jeans. These are denim jeans, and they have a really great buttons here. Buttons which I'm unbuttoning for you. Let's see. So yeah, buttons. And I want to show you the tag, the inside label tag. Is made in Japan, 98% cotton. Yeah, so yeah, it's really nice. Size 31, the Balmain official label on here. So if I can get a good image of that. And so just beautiful, beautiful pants. I love, that it's black and white because it goes with my sneakers. And so I just love this. You never see this for men. I think Billionaire Boys, Pharrell Williams, they had a version, a Houndstooth pair of pants for men, jeans for men. But I love this. These are the epitome of what I want in Houndstooth jeans. So I'm very impressed with these. The jeans a little bit better here, so I'll put the box out of the way. Let's see here what I can do. Let's move this. Sorry about this, you guys. So I took the tape off already because I was like, I know it's going to be tough for me. So, oops, with these good lights here. So those are the jeans. These are the jeans. Gorgeous, gorgeous pair of pants. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I love the distressing at the knee. It makes it a little more masculine, a little more rock star-ish. Especially very sexy. The little distressing right above, right at the thigh. So it's pretty cool. Distressing throughout here. But not like a major distressing, just, just very, very selectively, artistic, decision to make it have that distressing is really nice. And as you can see, there's multiple different Houndstooth patterns, which I love. There's at least 4 different kinds here, so I think that's just gorgeous. It's so eye-catching, just brilliant. To me, Balmain is my favorite designer. So yeah, so these are the jeans. So I'm just gonna try them on a few different ways, and you guys can tell me in the comments which way you think looks the most fashionable. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go and try these on, and you guys can tell me which one looks the coolest. Alright, what you think of these jeans, just tell me in the comments, Alright, so hey guys, so this is one way that I'm wearing the jeans. So I'm wearing my classic Christian Louboutin sneakers. So these are actually the original sneakers, this original spiky sneakers that came out. And so yeah, these fit pretty well. I've got a nice little belt on here with it, so just to show you, nice kind of Western style belt from ASOS, and then I have my Balmain New York t-shirt on. So sorry about this t-shirt, it's a little wrinkled, but yeah, I mean, this is one way to wear it. You know, black and white, you know, the black velvet flock. You know, this is from the Balmain from H&M collection with the black and white of the jeans. Pretty cool, you know, pretty cool. So, yeah, just one way. They fit really well. I mean, I just wish I had gone with a smaller size. So, you know, I would have preferred to have, you know, a size probably a size 30 would have been good, but, you know, still nice. You know, this is them. So here's another way. So another way that I like to wear it. So yeah, this is with a lace-up shirt from ASOS. Pretty cool. So, alright, well, I think this is the winner. So this is another lace-up top from ASOS that I have, and it's more fitted, as you can see. It goes better with the skinny jeans. So yeah, I mean, I think this is the winner. I think this looks pretty cool. So yeah. So yeah, the Louboutins looks pretty cool with that. Yeah, so I can't wait to wear these. I'm really excited about them. So, yeah. Alright, well, thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. I just love sharing clothes and fashion, you know. That's why I call myself #1 fashionista. So, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, until next time.